ये ACS 712, इसकी मदद से ये आप देख सकते हैं कि ये LED और एक रजिस्टर सीरीज़ में ये इसके करंट मेजर कर रहा है विद द हेल्प ऑफ आर्डिनो। और इसका रिज़ल्ट हर कुछ सेकंड्स में हमारे पास ये इस पे प्रिंट हो रहा है सीरियल मॉनिटर पे। तो वी कैन सी कि इट्स कंज्यूमिंग अबाउट 2.6 watts of energy. If we want to see how much current it is consuming, so we'll just minus this and it will show us the okay, it's done uploading. Consuming about 0.5 amperes of current. Prototyping a voltage sensor which is sensing voltage across the power supply. As you can see, we are supplying about 6.9 volts, and here in code you can see as the power supply is off right now, we are getting about 0.0705 volts, which is about stray voltage. And in the code we have applied a delay of 500 milliseconds, so it's checking in every 500 millisecond and updating the results. So when we on our power supply, you can see that it's providing about 6.73 volts, which is across the resistor here. If we change our probes of this sensor to LED, you will see that it then shows the voltage across the LED. So this was the prototype. By using NodeMCU हम लोग ने ये प्रोटोटाइप किया है कि हम किस तरह से अपने करंट और वोल्टेज की वैल्यूज़ क्लाउड पे भेज सकते हैं। तो हम थिंगस्पीक यूज़ कर रहे हैं और बोर्ड के अंदर हम लोग सबसे पहले इसको वाईफाई से कनेक्ट करते हैं NodeMCU को, और स्क्रॉल करना, और फिर हम अभी के लिए रैंडम वैल्यूज़ ऑफ करंट एंड वोल्टेज जिनको हम रैंडमली जनरेट करा के हम इसको भेज देते हैं उस सर्वर पर। एंड देन व्हाट वी गेट इज दिस इज करंट एंड दिस इज वोल्टेज।
टाइम भी बता रहा है,
टाइम आ रहा है नीचे एक्स एक्सिस पे हमारे पास टाइम आ रहा है और वाई एक्सिस पे हमारे पास वैल्यूज़ आ रही हैं, और दिस गेट्स रिफ्रेश्ड आफ्टर एवरी 15 seconds.
Our app is ElectroSmart Meter, and this is the main home page of the app, which has 4 options. So when you click on my account, it will open up to a page like this. So through this module, you can pay your bills and edit your information. Your information must contain your address, your full name, and further information about your meter and your energy supplier. Then if you click on graphical data, then it will open up to a page which shows you graphical analysis of your energy consumed in 12 hours. And this will also show you the total price right now. And we have consumption and cost. So when you open this, here it will show you a table of energy cost in rupees and the energy usage kilowatt per hour. Then lastly, there's this option for contacting KE for any of your queries, or if you're having any issues with your smart meter or any questions that you want to ask your energy supplier. So through this module, you can contact K Electric. But this also has a feature of push notifications.
So this is the Simulink model of our power factor calculation. So we implemented this, and this will calculate the power factor across this load, which is RL load in this case, with 360 ohms of resistance and 2.8 Henry of inductance. But these two have 2.3 Henry of inductance, and if we run this, so you'll see that it shows about 0.4769 power factor. So this is the equation implemented here. So we also implemented another Simulink model. So this one, what this one does is that it shows us the line and line currents and line voltages. So in the measurement block in the scope, we can see that it brings out this voltage and line current and line voltage, which then can be used to calculate instantaneous power at any point. Thank you.